morning, Leonard. This is Jay here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for inquiring about the Elantra 2018. This is the SEL. This is the package that gives you the blind spot monitoring system that you asked about for us, to safety features. Also, too, it comes equipped with a lot of other features: automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights, of course, alloy. This is a full 5-seating passenger vehicle. Comes standard with the cloth seats, of course. Bluetooth for your cell phone, radio controls, big 7-inch screen, which actually turns into a backup camera, is auto and Android, Apple CarPlay ready. 3 different drive modes in this particular package. And again, like I said, it does come with the blind spot monitoring system standard. Now, this car also is a 5-star to 5 good safety rated vehicle. Gets 37 miles to the gallon on the highway, but also has a very big warranty to go along with it. 5 years, 60,000 miles new car warranty, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 miles on the powertrain that we double here at Tameron. Only here you can actually get your powertrain warranty at a 20-year, 200,000 miles, no extra cost to you at all on this particular car or any new car on my lot. Now, I have a few more other color choices in the silver, of course. This is our most popular selling package of the Elantra, so I do have any color that you're thinking of. Give me a call. It's up time for you to come in and test drive. 205-380-6250 is the dealership number. Again, this is Jay here at Tameron Hyundai. Talk to you soon, Leonard.